What's going on YouTube? Dio aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Razer Naga Trinity gaming mouse. Now you can get this on Razer.com and it's going to run you $100. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this. It has 16,000 DPI 5G optical sensor. Now, for y'all that don't know, DPI is dots per inch, and it basically controls how sensitive the mouse is. So if you didn't know, now you know. It has 3 interchangeable side plates with a 7-button side plate and a 12-button side plate configurations. It has enhanced right-hand form factor, powered by Razer Chroma, up to 19 programmable buttons, and gaming grade tactile scroll wheel. Now it also has an ergonomic right-handed design with enhanced rubber side grips, Razer Chroma lighting with 16.8 million customizable color options, and it's compatible with the Xbox One. And all that's included in the box is you get the gaming mouse, and then you'll get the 12-button side plate, and then you'll get the 7-button side plate, and also you'll get your 2-button side plate, which is already installed. So let's take a little look at the mouse. And see the Razer branding on there. You see it's lighting up right now. And in order to get into all the Chroma features and functions and all that stuff, you have to go to Razer.com and you'll have to download the Razer Synapses application. Well, it's a program. You'll have to download that to your computer, laptop, or whatever. And once you download it, you'll be able to change all the customizable stuff like the colors and sync it with your keyboard and your hue lights and all that other stuff if you're into all of that. Now, looking at the mouse, if you check out the bottom, you see you can change the profile right here. You can change the profile, and then it has the serial number and all the other stuff on here. Now this is a wired gaming mouse, and that's what it's mainly used for, gaming mouse for gaming. And my older son is really into gaming, and he's really who put me on to gaming mice and keyboards and stuff like that. So I'll link his channel, his YouTube channel, in the description, so y'all can definitely check him out and subscribe to his channel. He's putting out them Fortnite videos and all that. If you're into Fortnite, he's a beast, huh? Ain't too many people I've seen much better than my son in Fortnite, and I ain't trying to toot the horn or nothing like that. But you see the wheel right here, you got a little texture on it. See the wheel keeps changing colors. You have 2 buttons right here, which I think these buttons are for your DPI, to change how sensitive your mouse is. I think the top is more sensitive and the bottom is less sensitive. Now these plates, I believe, are magnetic. So in order to change out the side plates, there's a little gap right in here, and all you do is pull it off like that. It's magnetic. You see the magnetic points right here, and also these are the little connection points and stuff like that. So if you want it to go to the 7-button, then all you would do is lay it on there like that, and you're good to go. Okay, you see your buttons over here light up, so they light up the same color as the mouse, which is dope. So you have that function right there. And if you hold in the top or the bottom button, you'll see it actually changing the DPI on the screen. And it goes from 800 DPI to 1800 DPI to 4500 DPI to 9000 DPI to 16,000 DPI. And that's displayed on your screen by just pressing these 2 buttons. And last but not least, let's change out this faceplate right here, side plate, and you put on the 12 button faceplate, side plate. And once you put that one on, see they're lighting up too now. So same color as the Razer emblem, same color as the wheel, same color as the button. But I'm gonna take you into the program, and then we're gonna look up color options and changing out things on the actual program. So let's get into that. So you can go into your Razer. Well, let me change that. That's super sensitive. So that's too low right there. All right, that's about good. So you can go into your Razer program, and once you go there, it'll tell you, it'll have like this options right here. So you'll have all of this different stuff right here to choose from. So what you want to do is you want to go to mouse, which is on the top, and once you click mouse, then you want to go to lighting, and that's how you change your lighting. So let's say we'll go from breathing, and we'll go to the spectrum cycling, and then you see it changes the colors. Now this is like this is changing colors, and but they're two different colors. You know what I mean? They're just random colors on here, which is pretty dope. So you can go into here, you can calibrate your mouse right here. The lighting is in this section right here. You can change the brightness where it's auto brightness. If you click that off, well, actually it just turns the brightness completely off, and you can adjust the brightness of your mouse right there. That's no brightness, and this is 50% brightness, and then I like to keep it all the way turned, so that's 100% brightness. So you can also use this setting right here, which is switch off lighting, and when the display is turned off, then it'll turn the lights off, and when idle for whatever amount of minutes, you can set the minutes, it will also turn off the lighting. Now as far as the performance tab, if you go into there, you can change the sensitivity. You can see right here it has all 5 stages of sensitivity. As far as the DPI, you have 800, the 1800, 4500, 9000, and the 16000. You can change all of that in this section right here. You also have the polling rate, which is the frequency of data updates for the mouse, and you can change that right here. And then you have the mouse properties. And also, you can change the different profiles right here. If you had multiple people using the same mouse and keyboard or something like that, and say I didn't like your settings or whatever, then I can change those settings and just use my own settings. Now, if you go into customize, you can change what button works for what. You see the scroll down and all that. You can change, and they give you different views of the buttons and keyboards, and buttons and stuff on it. Now you can change it from standard to hyper shift, which would be this right here, and I'll keep it on standard whenever I use it, which I don't use it much, but I keep it on standard. And then you can click this button right here, and it will save your profiles. So let's go back to the lighting, and like I said, my kids actually have the matching keyboard and the mouse. So these are both compatible to where they will do the same thing. So first I want to go into the lighting. You see I'm on spectrum cycling. So then at the top of the screen I go into keyboard, and then I go into lighting for the keyboard, and I go into spectrum cycling, and now it should do the same thing as my my mouse is doing. So you see they're changing the same colors and stuff like that. So this is like I said, some stuff for mainly gamers and people who like to coordinate they electronics, and this is a hot way. These things is definitely the wave of the future. People are jumping on these left and right. I'm probably late to the party, but everybody is having these and got this type of stuff. And even if you're not a gamer, this could be something that you just match up your room with. So I'll probably deck out my room after I paint my tech room / gum room after I paint it, and get it looking the way that I want it to look. And then I'll get this type of stuff and definitely set the party off right and have my room and lighting and everything looking nice and you know, all beautiful and stuff like that. But it's DO, aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.